Hello friends, welcome to Health and Gardening. In this video, I am going to show you how to make our lantana plants to bloom. Lantana plants are native to climates with warm temperatures, full sun, infrequent rainfall and well-draining soil. To ensure lantana displays flowers, it is important to replicate some of the conditions of lantana's native environment. Although lantana is usually flowering when you purchase it from the store or nursery, but it may not continue to bloom once you plant it. This is a common problem for all shrubs after transplantation. All the manipulation of roots and change of soil, scenery can lead to a significant amount of stress that causes flowers and buds to drop shortly after planting. It's a normal reaction that will clear up over time. But if an established lantana plant does not bloom, you have probably got one of these problems on your hands. One of the main reasons for which a lantana plant is not flowering is too much shade. Lantana plants need full sun in order to bloom properly, and that means at least 6 hours of full sun. When flowering plants like lantana are deprived of sunlight, they lack the energy to bloom. Next is excess tender loving care, which means paying more attention. When plants have evolved in tough conditions like the lantana has, too much care can give them the impression that they are living the easy life and don't need to worry about reproducing. Without a need to reproduce, lantana has no motivation to bloom. So lay off the deep waterings and heavy fertilizer. Water deeply once a week, but allow the soil to dry between waterings. Lantana plants are drought resistant. Don't over fertilize lantana, although fertilizer might create a lush green plant. In this case, the lantana is likely to be weak and will produce very few blooms. Next is overgrown lantana plants. Overgrown plants benefit from pruning of one-third of their size during the blooming season. After the pruning, water and fertilize immediately to help the plant to recover and start blooming again. Next is lace bug insects. Lantana plants are generally pest resistant, but they can be bothered by lantana lace bug insects. These bugs feed on the leaves and their damage often resembles that of leaf hoppers. It can stress the plants so much that they refuse to bloom. If everything else seems right, but your lantana still won't bloom, look for tiny insects on the undersides of the leaves. You can kill them with insecticidal soap. Once your plants recover from this problem, they should bloom happily again. Look out for green pods. Check your plant carefully for small green pods. These are the seeds of the lantana plant. Once the plant has begun forming seeds, it has no reasons to continue blooming, since it has accomplished its sole mission in life. Cut off the pods to stimulate new flowering. So friends, try this method to make your lantana plants flower. And I think this video is helpful to you. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any suggestion, please say it in comment box and subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.